What's up, guys? I am super excited to show you guys the unboxing of the Low-Glo. Came today, ordered it about, I'd say like 2 weeks ago. They sold out in 30 minutes. I'm glad I got mine, but here we go, guys. Like I said, they sold out in 30 minutes. We're gonna be doing the unboxing. Show you guys the strips. Nice simple box at Low-Glo shop. We're so excited, guys. You can see it? Nope. Woo. Oh my.
What is it?
You get your nice little message.
Wait, I probably know what it is.
Stickers. You got the front, the sides, and the rear.
Is it for your
simple.
car?
Another sticker.
I know it was for your car. It is.
More stickers. You got the wiring for it. Bunch of zip ties. Mounting plastic things. Oh, we got a bunch of stickers.
Hey, I like that one shirt.
Comes with instructions. Don't forget the Scooty snacks. Oh no. So there it is, guys. We just did the unboxing of the Low-Glo kit. And next we'll be installing it. So stay tuned.